One of these is a dirty, rotten fed, yeah? Which one of them is it though? Because he looks pissed, number 2. You know what I mean? Looking suspect of fuck, bro. Looks a bit fruity here. Fed to.
He's no dream officer. No.
Oh, that diddy stuff, leave that diddy at home, man.
It's not on it.
Okay, alright, that's enough, yeah. I know that brutality, boys, is the fed.
What about if I tell you to fuck off?
Yo, I'm DRIVADAVE, I'm a car enthusiast, YouTuber.
Yo guys, I'm Suzy, you maybe know me or not. I'm a trader.
I'm Marky. I'm a legit guy, I work 9 to 5.
Why did you say legend? I'm not legend. You prick.
I'm RM, I'm a rapper from Brum.
Okay, so round 1, we're gonna ask them who they are and what they do for a living. So number 1, what's your name?
My name is David. I'm a PC in the City of London Police.
Hello, my name is Ted and I'm vehicle response in Barnet.
Vehicle response. Okay, so number 3.
He's a traffic.
Forensic officer in my country, India.
Okay. That's interesting. Number 4.
My name is Taya, Community Support Officer for Metropolitan Police.
Hi, I'm Alice, Metropolitan Police Officer.
Okay.
She has some Gucci. She should be a fed.
Which one of these, like, has got characteristics of a fed that's going to be sniffing the grow
Number
out?
one. But I'd say number 2 is probably a traffic officer. And number 3
is might be one.
Definitely in the traffic team. And number 5, I would say
100%.
100%.
She's got the stare.
She's got the stare. She's got the stare.
Yeah.
Number 4, look, she's happy, you know what I'm saying? Like, you can't be a fed. Like, let's be honest.
Yeah, she's too nice.
Yeah, she's too happy.
She's too happy,
100%.
Because you know feds, they're
look,
fucking,
she's right here.
they're so fucking...
Hey, she can't
Look at the face.
I'm gonna stop you. Number 4
Number
for sure.
5, yeah, he's looking suspect of fuck, bro. I'll be honest, look, geez.
She's gonna nick you after this, I'll tell you that.
The first one.
I've got the number 1, yeah, he looks a bit fruity here. Fed to. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so just off appearance, yeah, we're gonna boot 1, yeah?
100%.
I'd say number 3.
Number 3.
Yeah.
No,
She's not running no one down.
Number 4.
She's a forensics though. She don't have to run no one down.
Nah, number 3, boys.
Yeah, I'm down with number 3. Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Okay.
Thank you.
Hey, she's smiling too much.
She's definitely thinking I'll nick you later.
You know what, she could be forensics in India though. Okay, so now, yeah, we're gonna get him to do something, yeah, that is real fetish. You just don't mind getting a bit physical?
What's that? Yeah, bro.
Depends on much.
Not no strip search. Why for that, man? Why for that? All that Diddy stuff, leave that Diddy at home, man. We got Diddy in the party. Where's the baby oil? What I want to do, yeah, show me how you would put Marky in cuffs. Come on, Marky. Get over there now. Get yourself cuffed up. I'll let you pick which one cuffs you up first.
Number 3.
Okay.
She's not coughing, man.
Yeah,
no
she's not-
chance. Look, she's
Okay, see? Okay, try it, man.
She's the dream officer.
No.
That's me in the back, you know. That's
Okay,
a
so the
lawsuit.
next one.
Okay, yeah, you're now under arrest and anything you say will be giving an evidence.
What about if I tell you to fuck off?
Okay, sorry. Oh, sorry.
Oh, the mic.
Yo, he's the fed. He's the fed, boys. Telling ya. I know that brutality. I know that brutality, boys. He's the fed.
He's not got enough strength.
Okay, you want to resist?
What if I don't want to?
Nah, go on. Okay, is that how you're cuffing him up, yeah? Is that how you're walking him to the car?
He's shaking, he's not on it.
Bro, the feds come at the
I'm sorry. He's been listening to my Vibes Cartel.
Nah, oi. Sorry. Right, enough of that now, yeah?
He's been listening to Vibes Cartel.
Marky,
go number 1.
So,
he's trying to chop. He's trying to chop.
boy for that. How's he doing that to you? Do him now.
Import as evidence. Anything you do say.
Nah, he's too soft. He's too soft.
Alright, that's enough, yeah? You can let him go.
Okay, number 5.
She looks angry at you, Marky.
What about if I'm resisting?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, no, it's not her.
It's not her.
Yo, I'll be honest, yeah? I'll be honest. I think it's number 2, boys. I'll be honest,
I think it's gonna be
You know
number
the
2.
Fed man come out of him.
You see the brutality?
Yeah.
You see that brutality?
Yeah, 4 and 3.
Yeah, 4 and 1.
Now 4 and 3. 4 and 3.
4 and 3.
4 and 3.
4 and 3, let's go.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay, so now we're going to ask you 2 questions, yeah? Okay, so I'm going to start with number 1, yeah? How long you been a batty?
Oh, why?
Been a PC for just over 4.5 years.
4.5. Okay. Number 2, yeah?
12 years.
He's the
Okay.
one, he's the one.
So then I got one more question for you, yeah? No. I'm trying to think of the elite question here. You know what I'm saying?
I'm ready.
We got that one.
I'm ready.
I see
All
what
right, throw it out there, man.
Could see what technical question.
What's section 18 and what station do you work at?
I work in the police station in Whetstone.
And section 18? He's not a fed. He's not a police officer.
Okay, number 1.
You would have told me
What's
9
a
years
section
straight away.
18?
Anti-terrorism.
No, it's not.
No. Fuck's sake.
Neither are police. No way. Neither are police.
We fucked it here, boys.
I think it was that woman, you know.
I think it was the Indian woman.
Can you read me my rights, please?
As in, like when you get arrested?
Yeah. From start to finish, please.
You're now under arrest, you don't have to say anything, but just bear in mind that anything you do say now can be used against you in court as evidence.
They don't say bear in mind.
Nah.
don't
Carry
say
on,
bear
you
in
now,
mind.
please.
You're under arrest. Anything you do say can be used as evidence. You have
Maybe.
the right to attorney?
No.
Maybe use it. Maybe use
None
it
of y'all.
evidence.
None of them.
Neither of them.
Haven't we seen
I
this
can tell
coming?
ya.
It's number 5. It's the last one. The one in the leather jacket.
We have to choose.
So I'm just going to address this now. Yeah, none of these 2 are feds.
Yeah.
For a fact.
It's
you
a
know?
lot.
We
100%.
fucking lost this one.
It's the woman in the leather jacket.
We've lost this one. I'm telling you. These have got us, the bastards. Look at them.
It's the one in the leather jacket.
They're dighters, man. Yous have got us. So, can the real stinking fed, yeah? Stand forward, please. No! Fed! Honestly. Really?
Which branch?
No
Which
way.
area?
Now, you know what? Fair play to you, because you had us all tricked. I'll be honest, you know what? You had us all fucking tricked. You need to work on them arresting skills. You get me? But you had us all fucking tricked.
She's the dream officer. You'll be gone.
I swear, I wish you arrest me. I'm chilling, you know what I'm saying?
You're the dream officer.
Oh, really?
Yeah, of course you get away every time.
My name is Naya. I'm community support officer. I work for the Metropolitan Police. I just started. Maybe this way I'm still here.
I won't believe that, I swear.
Depression will kick in soon. Don't worry.
Unbelievable.
I have to remember her face.
Hey, you know what? Respect. Good fucking work, man. This is crackers, bro.